Welcome to Preparing for Early Intervention Mediation, a companion video to Cadre's Early Intervention Mediation Family Guide. You've decided to use mediation to resolve an early intervention dispute. Preparing for mediation can help you participate most effectively. This video provides strategies to help you prepare for mediation. Mediation is described generally for Part C of the Individuals with Disabilities Education Act, or IDEA. This resource is not intended to interpret, modify, or replace any procedural safeguards or requirements of federal or state law. To begin with, be informed. Know the purpose of the session, who attends, when and where it will take place, and how long the process may take. Mediation is a voluntary process that brings people together to resolve disagreements. It is important that you understand and are able to participate fully in the mediation process. If you need an interpreter, let everyone know in advance. Contact your service coordinator or state lead agency for more information. Also, some parents may find it helpful to bring someone with them for support. It is a good idea to share with the mediator and other participants who you want to bring and ask who will be attending. Everyone should know before the mediation who will be at the meeting. Whether attorneys are included in the mediation process is not specified in the IDEA. Attorney participation in early intervention mediation varies from state to state. You may want to contact your OSEP-funded parent center or state lead agency for more information. The mediation must be held in a timely manner and take place at a time and in a location that is convenient to all participants. Mediation is intended to help quickly resolve disputes. The amount of time spent depends on the availability of participants, the complexity of their dispute, and their interest in reaching an agreement. Your lead agency may be able to advise you on how much time you should set aside for the mediation. Being organized and thinking about what you want to say and how you might want to respond to questions can help you participate in the discussion. Organize any supporting documents or data that you might want to use, and write dates and notes on them. Consider making copies for the other participants and the mediator. Make a list of the issues and questions you want to discuss during the mediation process. This can help you to remember all of your concerns, so you can present them in an organized manner. Think of questions other participants might ask, and write down some possible responses. Outline what you think your child and family needs, and bring some ideas about possible solutions. Think about how you plan to deal with emotions, yours and others, during the meeting. Consider contacting your OSEP-funded parent center to help you prepare for the mediation process. On the day of the mediation session, try to arrive a little before the scheduled meeting time, so you have time to get ready to participate. And lastly, the mediation is more likely to result in an agreement if everyone listens carefully to one another and is respectful. If a dispute is resolved through the mediation process, the agreement must be in writing and signed by both the parent and an authorized representative of the lead agency. The mediation agreement must state that all discussions that took place during the mediation process will remain confidential and may not be used as evidence in a later due process hearing or civil proceeding. A signed, written mediation agreement is legally binding and enforceable in state or federal court. If you have reached an agreement with the lead agency and you want to have someone else review the agreement before signing it, you may request time to do so. If you believe that your signed, written agreement isn't being followed, your state lead agency can provide you with information about your options. For more information on mediation, how to prepare for it, and how it compares to other dispute resolution options, visit www.cadreworks.org/EI-Family Guides. For state-specific information or individual assistance, contact your state lead agency or parent center. The Center for Parent Information and Resources can also assist. They provide information on a variety of early intervention and special education topics and a current list of all the parent centers in the nation on their website, parentcenterhub.org. For a current list of Part C state coordinators, visit the Early Childhood Technical Assistance Center, or ECTA website, ectacenter.org/contact/PTCCOORD .asp. To review the Individuals with Disabilities Education Act, visit cites.ed.gov/IDEA. This concludes the Preparing for Early Intervention Mediation video. We also encourage you to view the IDEA Early Intervention Mediation video if you have not already done so, as well as the other family resources located on Cadre's website at www.cadreworks.org/for-families.